Hey, it's Antechamber, and today I'm going to show you something I have been working on. So, some of you may remember this. This is my pretty old now sort of CNC machine kit I got a really long time ago. So, right after I got it, like within like 15 minutes of using it, the normal driver board just died on it, and I haven't really gotten around to making it work again until now. So, I currently have this hooked up to computer with Linux CNC on it over a parallel port, and then I didn't have the proper adapter, so I made my own. Right now I just have two accesses hooked up because it's a pain in the ass to do these two anyways. I'll get the third one hooked up eventually. Right now I only have half stepping enabled, which means it's going to be, quarter stepping enabled, which means it's going to be really loud without the spindle at all. Also, I had to fix this mount. It's going to be fun. Anyway, let us begin. Can't run a program when not homed. What? Fuck. Excuse me. It's upset at me for some reason. Yes, home access, sure. Yes, here we go. Yeah, so it makes a terrible sound, but I tell you that's because, the reason why it's making a terrible sound is because I'm actually properly driving these motors now with the proper amperage, which means they have a lot more holding torque, which means they'll actually be able to machine what I want them to. But that also means they're really loud. And, yeah. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching.